Hi, I'm Saravana Suthanthira with Alameda County Transportation Commission in the San Francisco Bay Area. Our session is about a new approach for multimodal planning for arterials across a county or a region. And this looks at modal emphasis and also identifying modal priorities or balancing needs across the modes, and also looks at prioritizing improvements, and finally it looks at concept development, basically initial concept design. And this is for Alameda County, as I said before. And any major region, Alameda County roadways are experiencing excessive congestion. And it is this congestion that pushed us to identify or look for options to identify multimodal improvement across the county. And so this plan is for 1,200 miles across the Alameda County, a real paradigm shift.
Hello, I'm Matthew Ridgway. I'm a principal with Fair & Peers, and I worked with Saravana on this project as the consultant project manager. And I just wanted to talk about two major elements of this work that I think are really groundbreaking. One is the modal emphasis, so modal prioritization. We took the complete streets concept and took it a step further in terms of identifying a process to derive the preferred or the priority modes for each street. And what that allowed us to do then is to really treat those streets really extremely well for that mode. So, and the transit mode, for example, if it came out as a transit priority, then it allowed us to identify a series of improvements that really emphasize the throughput, the speed, and the reliability of transit. The other thing that we did that I think is actually not necessarily something we thought was going to be a product of this when we went into it, but sort of a lesson learned during the course of this, is this idea of continuous and connected networks. And so we really found that, back to transit, if we wanted to move the needle on mode share, as Saravana said, the roads are very congested, and the only way we're going to get more capacity out of them is to get people to move in other modes beyond the single occupant automobile. If we really wanted to move that needle, we needed to develop a much more robust transit network. So in Alameda County, there were a couple of BRT projects currently in the works or being conceived of, and we've taken that and blown it out to about 3 times the size as a continuous connected set of transit priority streets that we really do think has the benefit of dramatically enhancing transit mode shares.